We're going to do another box and whisker plot just so you have two examples in your notes. Again, 5-number summary means we have to order our data from least to greatest, and once you have your 5-number summary sent, it's really quick to translate that into your box and whisker plot. So I'm going to pause the video, go ahead and order the data. You can do the same. Alright, now that we have everything in order from least to greatest, your minimum is the smallest number, your maximum is the largest number, and then the median, you want the number that's in the middle of your data, so you just start counting in until you get to the very middle number. And when you count in, you're going to see that it lands right on that 25, so our median is 25. So just a little heads up, if you have an odd number in your data set, so we had 11 numbers, that means that when you find the median, it is going to be one number in the middle. If we had 12 numbers, when we counted in, we would have 2 numbers in the middle, and you'd have to add those up and divide by 2. Alright, so now we want our Q1, that's going to be the median of the lower half of data. And when you do that, because our median fell right on the 25, we're going to not use the 25, and we're going to find the median between these numbers, the numbers lower than 25. So when you do that, you get that 22 in the middle, which is nice, and then you're going to find the median of the upper half of numbers, which is going to give you 34. Alright, now that we have our 5-number summary, we're going to draw a number line, and then you take a look at your minimum and maximum to see what you should number by. Now the minimum is 19, so you have to go, if I were to count by 5s, I wouldn't want to start at 20 because 19 is below that. So I'm going to start at 15. And I already glanced to see that we have to go up to a 40, so I'm going to count by 5s on this one also. So 15, 20, alright, so you can see I have my number line from 15 to 40, and now I'm going to plot the points for our 5-number summary just all in an invisible line floating above the numbers. So 19 would go right there, then we have 22, 25, 34, and 40. Alright, so to draw your box, that's your middle 3 numbers, remember so draw a box around those, and then the very middle one is your median, and then the whiskers go on the ends, like that. So again, box and whisker plot allows us to look at the spread of your data, and remember that each section or each piece of a box and whisker plot represents 25% of the data.